Okay, so hey guys, it's Quinston, and today we are going to learn about assertions or assert. So what is assert? Now, in a lot of competitive exams, you have to actually constrain the input you get from the user in a certain limit. Let's say if you have to take in an input n, n, not x. If you have to take an input n from the user, you will basically have to take it and check whether it fits into that particular range. Let's say n should be less than 5, or n should be greater than 0, or n should be between 0 and 10. In these cases, you have to assert that n fits in that range and that you can stop the program when you figure it out. So in order to stop the program and evaluate whether n is in that range, you use something called as assert. Now, in order to use assert, you first have to include, I'll tell you what you have to include, #include assert.h. Now, assert.h is basically a file which has the function called assert, which we will be using. So right now, I want to check cin n, basically I'm taking the input from the user, and I want to check whether n is between 0, or I want to check if n is greater than 0, and if it is greater than 0, all good. But if n is less than 0, I want to end the program. End it, like stop the program right there. So how do you do that? You say assert, and then you basically write the conditional that you want to be true. So right now I want n to be greater than 0. So I write n greater than 0, and that's about it. Now what this will do is, this will check whether n is greater than 0, and if it is greater than 0, all well and good, everything will be executed. And if it is not greater than 0, then the program will stop executing over here. So let's see if I write cout true. Let's see if this gets executed. If I run it and I get the value as 5, is 5 greater than 0? Yes, of course 5 is greater than 0, so it runs. What if I say -1? -1. Assertion failed. See, the program stopped execution because the assertion failed. So that's what you use assert for. Now, where do you use this assert? You basically use it in competitive exams or places where you have to solve a problem, but then you have to check whether the input satisfies the particular conditional or not. So that's where you use assert. Now, assert can be used in many different ways. Over here, all you have to do is write the condition that you want it to be satisfied. So you can write anything from n not equal to 0 or n equal to 0. Remember that if this condition is true, if n equal to 0 is true, the program will continue executing, and if that condition is false, it will stop execution right there. It was a very small video, but yeah, I wanted to get this point across because this concept has been eluding me for a long time, and I wanted you guys to be aware of this very early on. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please share the playlist with a lot of other people so that they can also learn C++, and we can have a discussion in the comment section together. So later, guys.